DJM TV.
Hi guys, welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. If this is your first time of seeing any of our video, a very big thumbs up to you. Thank you so much for clicking on our video. Please go a step further, like this video, share this video, don't forget to drop your comment, subscribe to this channel, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Do turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the very first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video, and check out our website at www.djmtv.news. Now let's take it straight up into the main news. Make una forget about Igbo presidency. All this where they talk say Igbo presidency go make Nigeria united. Now lie, rather e go make Biafra come to reality. Now waiting former deputy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu open him mouth talk. This one now still DJM TV Daily News Update. The former deputy leader of indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, where they call Uche Mefor, don't come outside to say Igbo president for Nigeria, e no go work. Say because for Igbo president to become president, that means say, hey, Biafra go come to pass. Into say, instead of Igbo president to unify the country, he go further lead to more agitations of Biafra. And all this one, now go make Igbo president for this country no go work. According to one of his statements when he made for his Facebook page, Uche Mefor talk say e dey very unlikely say an Igbo president for Nigeria go intensify the agitation for the restoration of Biafra. So because of that one, Biafras must concentrate on their territorial politics with a view to controlling the political space in Biafra land. Nigeria is an ideal candidate. You will be completing the cycle of the status of an ideal contender, highly unlikely to be subjected to remedial succession if she mishandles the Igbo bid for presidency and denies or schemes them out. All this one now wetin Uche Mefor talk for inside one of his Facebook posts. This one now still DJM TV Daily News Update, your darling station where they give you better ogbonge gist. So na don hear am, Uche Mefor, wey be the former deputy leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, don come outside say make the people of Biafra make dem concentrate on Biafra land, make dem concentrate on how they go take defend their political space. Say well, for Igbo president for this country to unify the country go hard o. Say rather if Igbo president come like this, now the way the matter just be like this, so they just get Igbo president at all for the country, instead of the country to come together as one. Many people what they agitate say abeg thank God we don't get person for there go just help us sign Biafra comot from Nigeria. Not be only Uche Mefor don dey talk say this Igbo presidency thing no go work. Many people don still shook mouth say Igbo person no go fit be president for the country, say because all those one go make those wey dey agitate for Biafra, e go make the agitation strong. All those people say na lie, you say if Igbo person become president, all this we no go gree. When indigenous people of Biafra they talk, IPOB and some other groups and they talk say, we no go gree, we wan comot for Nigeria, make una share the country, make we go our way. Say all those ones, if Igbo president come, many people they feel say e go stop. But according to Uche Mefor, say e no go stop. Say in fact, the people over there they shout where we safe. We no go gree. We want our Biafra land. Leave us, make we go. Say because the average Biafra man we want defend a political space. So for you to even give them presidency at all, now use una hand to go find trouble. All this one when Uche Mefor talk, if they come as many elders for the southeastern part of the country, don't they just say, may they allow Igbo produce the next president now. Say almost all the regions for the country don't produce president except the southeast. And many southeasterners don't still support all these Igbo political stakeholders. Then when they just say, may they allow southeast produce president for peace to reign. But we'll not forget, say one group where they support Bola Ahmed Tinubu for presidency, where they for southeast, don't still shook mouth on this matter, say, all these people where they agitate for Igbo presidency, they do am because of wetin they want gain. So they be very selfish people and dem know wetin dem dey do. See, dem know say if Igbo president come, e go favour dem. All dis one na dem dey do to scatter Nigeria. See, now those men dey support Bola Ahmed Tinubu, dem dey support Igbo president at all. That Southeast group, dem say dem no go support Igbo man to come out as president. Rather, dem go do everything within their power to make sure say Bola Ahmed Tinubu win the southeastern part of the country and him become Oga Presido of Nigeria. Many people don chook mouth for inside this matter. This one na still DJM TV Daily News Update, your darling channel wey dey give you ogbonge gist. Abeg, if you just dey join us, make you no forget to like this video, share the video, and make you subscribe to this YouTube channel on the notification bell so that you go be one of the first persons wey we go notify kpakam say we don just ogbonge hot news for our channel. Oya, make we continue the matter wey we dey talk. The matter wey dey for ground be say Uche Mefor don come outside come talk say if Igbo president dey come out for dis country, say e dey very likely say the agitations for restoration of Biafra go come high, the thing go come worsen. Say so the best go be say make Igbo president no dey at all, so that they go fit dialogue with all these people, they make their mind calm down. But many people don't counter Uche Mefor. First of all, many people say Uche Mefor na betrayer. He betrayed the arrested and detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra when he did for the detention facility of the Department of State Services since when they extradited and come back to Nigeria for inside July. And the matter as it be so, the case still dey court, and on the 18th and 19th of January, he go appear for Federal High Court, and Justice Binta Yanko go finally decide on top the case. But many people they say, but you forget that matter, they go postpone the case again, they don't go release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But not be that one be the matter with the ground. The matter with the ground be say many people say they support Igbo presidency, while others they say Igbo presidency no go work. Many people say now this one because say many of the way they support Igbo presidency, they get selfish reasons. Why, according to Uche Mefor, if Igbo president come out for this country, Nigeria go scatter. It will share into many parts, because first of all, the agitation for the restoration of Biafra go call high, and they very likely say the average Igbo man go support the people and he go sign and make Biafra come out for Nigeria. Many other people don't, they don't oppose Uche Mefor. Uche Mefor go sit down, waiting, now he won't be the political prophet. Instead of him to the support, making people become president, he they blast them, they bash them so that nobody go vote for Igbo man. See all this one way Uche Mefor, the name that they call her betrayer. So for the indigenous people of Biafra, say because now so you do when you take betray Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they call her former deputy leader. Say me Uche Mefor go sleep, make you forget those when they turn just to find cheap popularity, and they no go give her that kind of popularity. Well, others the way they support Uche Mefor, say they agree with her, say if Igbo president come outside the country, would most likely scatter into plenty parts. So my people, this is still DJM TV Daily News Update. You just join us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel on the notification bell, so that once we start any ogbonge news like this, back you will be one of the first persons to know. So now don't hear what Uche Mefor talk. He say Igbo president for Nigeria go intensify the agitation for the restoration of Biafra. My correct country president, he go really make a nonsense. It go make sense like sentence. If you say if he still shook mouth on this matter, talk wetin you think concerning wetin Uche Mefor talk. If you want contribute anything for this story, make you go drop am for the comment section for button. We go to read am. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us to the very end of this video. Please do not forget to like, share this video. Also drop your comment on the issue that was raised, and do not forget to go a step further by turning on the notification bell, so you'll be one of the first person to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Do follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 247. Now, do not forget, you can also place your advert here at DJM TV, and be rest assured that you get good value for your money. Now, until we come your way again with another exciting edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, do not forget that here at DJM TV, we set the standard. Yeah.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
These Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV. DJ TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ TV. DJ